I'm excited about this year's drinktec and proud of what we have achieved together. Since the last drinktec in 2022, my team has worked with passion and dedication to turn customer feedback into real solutions. It's amazing that we can now offer our customers the new Ingeniq lines, but also a lot of new digital solutions. The first Ingeniq line is already up and running at a customer in England, and the feedback has been fantastic. In these lines, digitalization isn't just an add-on, it's built in from the very beginning. The permanent connectivity between the line and Krones opens up possibilities, and new ways of working together with our customers. This enables us to take on more responsibility and be a reliable partner at every stage of production. We call this new approach the Lifecycle Alliance. For the first time, we have brought all digital service together in one platform, the Krones World, where we collaborate directly with our customers across the lifecycle. All machines in these lines and all digital services are fully integrated, from machine automation to our digital cloud-based software as a service solutions. We're not longer talking about traditional turnkey lines where machines are simply connected by sensors and signal exchanges. We're talking about truly integrated lines. This makes the difference in terms of performance and TCO. Digitalization is now a core part of every Krones machine and line right from the beginning. Our experts here at the booth are ready to show you the Ingeniq lines, the Krones World, but also all our digital solutions, live and hands-on. I'm very much looking forward to this exciting drinktec week. Thank you so much.